Okay, I'm recording you. If you put it on the...
I'm going to put it on the side.
I think if you put it out here, you can see it. Alright, if you put it out here on the wing, aimed it.
I got a good idea. If I put it right here, and just aim it out that way, you should be able to get it. I think my original plan works. If I put it...
So it's the gear opens my bomb drop, right?
Yeah. Easy.
I'm thinking I don't need much runway this wind.
Probably not.
If she gets that, she's gonna cut hard left. Seems like that's what they always do in the wind.
Oh, you dropped them.
I didn't drop them. It's just the plane doing that shit, yeah.
There's three?
No, there's two. Yeah, they just squeezed out.
You should just put one at a time.
Nah, I should put them in deeper.
You got more?
Yeah, I got plenty more. I'm just setting trims and stuff.
That's fine, pretty good.
Just sitting here. I'm barely giving her any power. Bringing her in for landing right now. There's no engine at all right now. Oh yeah, it'd be a nightmare. I told you, in the wind, you can do crazy shit in the wind, man.
You're laying on a freaking...
The people are like, oh shit, wind shit! The wind, I'm having to go like that for the count for the wind. Isn't it just a terrific plane? Any of you guys out there, that's somebody who's just learning to fly. Supercub can do it all. Put this brushless motor in here, and I'm telling you, Supercub can do it all. It's an awesome plane. And you can get parts for this thing anywhere. I mean, anywhere.
Get more balloons?
Yeah, in pocket. Right there, yeah. And then the water still tips in there, too. You gotta put it on that water bottle.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I got one already. Let's drop this for now. I want to drop this.
The deodorant?
Yeah. I thought it was still in there.
How'd you do a water balloon if you can get it steady?
I was trying to find different shit to drop.
You got this too.
Oh yeah, look good.
Gross. The thing's nasty.
I know it.
Probably won't fall out that way, it's all sticky. Here, rip that thing off the end.
No, you need it for the weight.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit like that. It'll stick to the board and the board comes out, the wind will blow it out. You know what I mean? Yeah. It'll take a little bit for this water balloon to fall out, but it's just so scary on takeoff, man. See how I was fighting all that? we go again, folks.
The other thing didn't go.
I didn't open it. That's just the water balloon falling out. I just need to wedge it in there more.
Ready to go.
It does. You can't see when things fall, man.
It's still stuck to it. You're doing circles. There it goes. It just flew off. I don't think you got that with the little camera. You can get some cool aerial shots though.
Look at Ray making that propeller go.
That's that
480. There's a 480. Now she's up there. That wind's just having heydays this, ain't it?
You got full control now?
Nice. Look, I'm in the stall. I can't come out. I can't come out. Whew.
Are you serious?
I couldn't come out. I couldn't come out. I couldn't come out, dude. Did something break?
Can you bring it back this way?
Did I lose radio control or what? Something wrong. Something different. Maybe it's just the wind. I think it's just wind.
Blowing it.
Fuck that. It's just having its heyday, man. I'll keep it around here. That was crazy shit, huh, isn't it?
Yeah. It's blowing it up.
I didn't let the wind blow. I was like, what the fuck? That's the wind, just took it right there. It's when I try to give it power, that's when it goes crazy. It just wants to glide. I'm not even giving it power, it's just... If I didn't have that brushless just then, I'd have lost it. The wind was keeping it nose down, I couldn't get it up. I need to turn the dual rates off. I don't know what button it was.
Did you get them off already?
No. Yeah, go ahead and give me full control. Look at that. It's like I'm climbing. With the motor on, it's like I'm climbing. It's a little down elevator.
Yeah, I think that's why you had down elevator on there.
Yeah, it seems a little better than that.
The wings just like, you see it push it down?
Yeah.
Like it pushed it flat.
Watch your wings fall, watch. See them? I'm gonna bring it back, put my Cyclops camera on there. Let's put the Cyclops camera on there too.
I want to pull the camera off there.
Alright.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'll put some parachute guys in there. Those are always good for... Yeah, it wasn't coming on, was it?
No. I don't know if I have any more though. Velcro.
I don't think I brought my...
Yep, I got one more piece. I'll put it on my striker.
I'm gonna put some parachute guys in there.
I'll try the striker.
If you guys are wondering, I bought this bag of parachute, guys, from Amazon. It was like, I don't know, $8. Comes with like 100 of them in there, something like that. No, I think it's 60 or 75, something like that. But they're a lot of fun. You got kids out here asking what you're doing. You can give them one to play with, kind of keep them out of your hair. Also, I got some little glider airplanes I bought too. Put them on and drop them, let them glide down. So, yeah, well, there's one parachute. This is a cheap parachute, guys. Now, I did order some tangle-free parachutes. They're pretty neat. They don't have strings to get all tangled up. And they're big, like 22-inch parachutes. And I ordered a couple of them off of Amazon also. With that, you can hook up like a GoPro camera, a bigger camera, and actually drop the camera and get some aerial footage like that. So I'm going to play around with some of that and see what happens also. It should be here in a couple of days. I'll make a video. Be sure to look forward to seeing it. Get these parachutes unraveled. I think I'm just going to do 3 today. So windy. Alright. There we go. Parachutes are in. Here. There we go. Got fixed. Here we go, baby. Friggin' zero takeoff room. I better drop these parachutes way out there for them to blow back here. You know it?
Oh, yeah.
Way out there. Like right there. Parachutes drop. Hey, they dropped! There's all 3 of them. Parachutes are dropped. Here they come. Pretty good drop. Look, they're gonna hit your car. Ah! Did I blow your car up? Almost.
They didn't open fully though. That would have been sweeter. They would have hung out a little bit longer, I think.
But then they would have missed your car. God, the wind blowing. Holy shit, look at the wind blow. I love the wind, man. So much things you can do in the wind you can't normally do. Look at this zero-speed landing. It's like hover cub. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, George, you're gonna have to check that video out. Okay, now you can see this is my Cyclops gear plane. It's sponsored by Cyclops. What I'm videoing these with right now are Cyclops video sunglasses. Let me put them in the window. Maybe you can see a little bit. I don't know. Yeah, you can see the reflection. And that's why I'm recording this with is these sunglasses by Cyclops. These are 720. Now what I'm fixing to put on the plane is some 1080s. And what's really neat about these... Uh-oh. I didn't bring them, did I? I must have left them at home, dude. Oh, no, here they are. Yeah, here they are. I found them. Alright, I'm going to restart this video.